Hello Divebomber fans. So you've watched us drag race. Get ready for drag racing. Tonight we're going to bring you something completely different. So me and Casey, we're going to take the War Pig, we're going to go get some materials. I was going to tell some of the Divebombers, but they just have big mouths and I don't want to ruin the surprise. So
alright, so I guess Chris isn't going to tell us what's going on tonight, but in case he does, we're supposed to swear we won't tell. So okay. I, Dan Williamson, say your name, whatever, promise not to tell if I find out, and if I do, I probably won't. Okay.
Join us tonight, you're not going to want to miss this.
Find your criminal safety? Awesome.
I like that shirt.
Oh,
Yeah, that's nice.
you can see it at DivebombersGarage.com.
Hey!
None of my friends bought anything. Tricks.
We're here for the free swag.
I know. If a cop comes and gives us a ticket for this,
Cop comes. This was all your
well, we won't be doing anything, so that we're just gathering. But anyway, anybody want to know what the rules are? Come on up.
or what we're doing.
Or what we're doing here.
First rule, you don't talk about Fight Club.
That's right. I say your name. So 20 years ago, we were going to go to Sherry's. There was a huge line, and one of us was ripping behind Big Five, and we found some plywood. And so then we went to the Harbor Freight parking lot. Nobody could have done that first try. So we're going to draw a line. There'll be one piece of plywood marked, and whatever your wheelbase is, we're going to set the other one. You're going to have X amount of feet to get rolling. You hit the brakes, whoever slides the furthest wins. So we do one round, and whoever's the winner sits out the second round until everybody gets another run to try to beat him, and then if somebody beats him, then that last person has one more chance. And then we have a badass prize. I'm calling this dive bombing. Practice dive bombing. Well, it's just how far you push that. But
Okay, well this brings up cheating then.
new rule.
Multiple cars with a line lock here. So if they pull up, put their front tires on that, hit the line lock, they can push the all the way down the road.
Okay. You have to attempt
We're in a group
Divebombers.
of cheaters.
Yeah. Six. Wow. It's a workshop. Bill, you're in the lead. Way out here.
Yeah.
Got him by a foot. Up next, over Danny, is the 5-speed 35. Missed it by that much. Nailed it! You drive like Steve McQueen! It smells like Lowe's. I don't know if that's how you spell it.
You won. You're in the lead. You're winning. You did better than everyone else.
You're the only one to hit all.
Both pieces of plywood.
It just takes a little minute and then you're like right back to 12 years old. Just that fast. I mean, sure, there's $1.2 million worth of cars out here, but like... 120. Anti-lock brakes. So, does this have anti-lock brakes? Yes. I wonder if that...
It's not going to here in a minute.
Eric. Don't be a and
See, just a little motivation. That's all I need. Call him names.
Oh, we just ridicule our friends until they do it anyway.
Right.
So it's like a win-win in our car club. Hey, $5 says that thing dies on the line.
I'll make that 10.
Called it.
I guess you have to do that word.
Just marking that we didn't make it.
Oh. This one doesn't have a monster truck. dead when he started it at the house? Oh, okay, cool.
It seems as if you're on fire.
You got training fluid. That's antifreeze. That's antifreeze.
No, that's definitely not.
Definitely antifreeze. That's oil?
Hang right of the racetrack, please.
You're definitely valving.
It's transmission fluid,
Yeah, it smells like train.
which is super flammable. So.
Definitely training fluid.
Super flammable. Hey, remember what I said about we can't break our cars?
Did anyone tell the cars?
It's literally pouring out water.
Yeah. On this side over here. Usually it comes out of the dipstick.
These weren't this much, but when I first walked into Lowe's, the first thing was $58. Like, but I've never seen this on YouTube, so maybe it'll go viral. Like and subscribe. I think that's everybody.
That's everybody, right?
Okay.
Whoever built that car didn't do a very good job making the rear brakes work.
Yeah, I get that mechanic on the phone.
Dang it.
Dude, you put another car length on that.
That's amazing.
You, Bill. Just one car length?
Yeah, I was gonna say, maybe in that 30 feet.
Well,
That's gonna be hard to beat.
that's pretty much impossible to beat.
Good job, honey.
Good job, Matt.
So, we're gonna crown the winner of the Divebombers Friday Night SmackDown champion, Matt Rogers. Is it ironic that it's blue? It took me off. I'll crown you Friday Night Divebombers SmackDown champion.
It ain't gonna fit.
Made it to fit him, but nobody else.
Don't fit.
I got it in the kids section. You put it on your leg.
Throw it over your shoulder.
Throw it over your shoulder like MMA.
That's how all the pro wrestlers do it anyway. They just hang it off their shoulder.
Yeah, celebrating you get the breakfast, say the prayers in the morning.
Right. You want to be like me.
That is getting hung on my wall. Someday.
Not wearing it to dinner? Or to bed?
Yeah, Paul, get a reservation somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah. You can bring that to breakfast, sling that over your shoulder.
You already knew.
So, in conclusion, Matt won again.
Okay, have a good evening, guys.
Okay.
I gotta go.
Take the trophy.
Yeah, totally cheated on. Cheated all you guys out of everything. We got the belt.
October's
Yeah!
So you've just been dive bombering with the Divebombers. Hope you had fun. Get out there, have fun with your hot rods. Go to DivebombersGarage.com, buy some cool merch, and like and subscribe. It'll help the channel out. And until next time, evading is, damn it, avoiding is not evading.